What's up, guys? We're here today to install the MotoTote Mini. Gonna open up the assembly and hardware box. We got the instructions right here, QR code. So step one seems pretty easy. There's only 3 steps here. Step one, we're gonna attach the square platform. Only 2 bolts. And these are gonna go right there. There we go. Easy. All right. Tight. Step one's done. Time to put it on the hitch. Perfect. After measuring the wheelbase, now we're going to go to step 2 and throw on these for the wheels. Install the tie-down arms. Super simple. We're just going to slide this in. 1 bolt for each. Lightly get that in. Now we're going to install the 0 wobble bolt. Thing looks sick. Not going anywhere.